These are three-dimensionally printed trucks. That's the Dodge, that's the Ford, my first venture. It's pretty simple, but it is complete. They come in four-wheel drive. That's the Ford F-250, the 2023, I believe. This also came the same way. It's underside, doesn't come with an engine. The printing is pretty good. The plastic, or resin they call it, is actually not as good. The paint was drying and the wind blew it down and it broke there and there, and I just didn't get around to fixing it. It wasn't doing too good anyway. So the plastic itself is not good quality, but it looks good. Okay, the truck, the scale looks a little bit big compared to the other Dodge. Now, that is a 24 scale 4 by 8 feet of plywood, and that's about the right size there and there. You look at it closely, you can see some of the lines on it, so the printing is not perfect. I haven't painted this one yet. This one did not have those lines, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. So they're a little bit pricey. They're over $100. So just getting forward to building the Ford and venture into plastic models from three-dimensionally printed. Decided to put the battery trailer onto this one and paint it red. So, three-dimensionally printed model trucks.